welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I actually have March and April's because I signed up around the end of March, beginning of April, so just gonna do both of them now. The March one, it was Shamrocks, you know, card says Boxycharm Lucky. So let's dive on in and see what is in our box. I have the Lime Crime Venus 3. Let me open this up so that way it's not much of a reflection. Venus 3 eyeshadow palette, and it costs $38. Let's take a quick look at the colors here. It's like pastel-y. You can kind of do some neutrals with it with a pop of color. Don't own anything from Lime Crime, so I can't wait to take a dive into this. Let's see what else we have here. Alright. The next thing we have in the box is Glow Recipe. It is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I heard really good things about this. I have something else from them. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it is amazing. And let's take a quick look. I already had it open, so it was easy for me to just whip it open instead of struggling. Let me take a smell. Yep, definitely smells like banana. It smells really good. It's good enough to eat. Alright, let's see what else we have here. That actually costs $39. We have something from Frank Body. It is a glow mask. I love masks. On like a Friday night, pamper yourself, or just whenever. It is $21.95. The next thing we have here is from Cabe Cosmetics. It's a hydrating lip oil. Let's take a look and see what this looks like. Looks like it's just like a clear gloss here. Let's see if it has a smell. Oh, it does. It kind of has like a coconut smell to it. It smells really good. I want to eat that too. I love everything that smells like coconut. And that goes for $20. Billion Dollar Brows is the last item we have in here. It is a clear brow gel. I've never heard of them. I don't even use brow gel. I just use my Benefit pencil and call it a day. It lasts all day. My eyebrows aren't really unruly. And this goes for $18. Okay, let's get rid of this box here. Moving on to the April box. And it is Boxycharm Sweet Treats. Let's see what's the first thing in this box here. It looks like it's a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. I do not own anything from Natasha Denona, so this will be my first. Looks like it's a little messed up here, if you can see like some fallout in here. These colors are really pretty for spring. You can do a neutral, you can do pops of color. I really like these colors. I don't really have anything that has like a green like that in there. Can't wait to try that out. And that little palette goes for $48. The next thing I have here is by Touch and Soul. It's the Icer Sherbet Primer. I actually have used something from Touch and Soul, and it was their moisture cream. And it's like a moisture cream, but kind of like a gel. Really good, really moisturizing. And that goes for $32. Dragon Beauty. I've heard of them, but I've never tried anything from them. It is a color corrector. I usually don't use color correctors, but if I ever do need one, it's nice to know I have one in my collection. It's kind of like a lavender color here. If you can see here. It's like a lavender color. I'm sorry if the light is really bad. I'm using natural light at the window. Watching cars go by. And that goes for $25. The next thing I have here is Dragon Lash Mascara by Quiveen Studio. I do not know how to pronounce that or how they want it pronounced. I've never tried anything from them. And It is $18. I'm going to add this to my big mascara collection. For some reason, I have a huge mascara collection. I don't think I need any for at least a year. And the last thing that's in my box is Terre de Mars. I guess that's how you say it. And it is a body cleanser. So we'll see how this is. I don't know if it's probably sealed, so I won't be able to smell it. Oh, wait. I can't really explain the smell, but it does have a perfumey smell, so we'll see how that works. I normally can't use stuff like this because it'll either dry out my skin or I will break out. My skin is very sensitive, but we'll see. So this is everything that I got in both of my boxes. From May on, it will just be one box a month, since this was just because I either, like I said, joined the end of March, beginning of April. So I ended up getting 2 boxes and I didn't even know. It was a pleasant surprise. So I'm going to go sit here, think of a video I might do with some of these products in here. If you want to see any more videos like this, or you have any video ideas for me to do in the future, please comment down below. And please subscribe before you leave. And everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.